Today we're going to learn how to create a business email. So if you're ready, let's get into this. So first of all, you go to whogohost.com and then you search for email hosting. And what do you know? Here's the price. I think at the end of the day it boils down to 2,150, but let's get into it. You select the kind of email hosting you want and you go for the purchase now. We choose this plan, which is the BE level 1, 2,000 Naira per email monthly. So we select choose plan. So you then get to this page where you get to select if you have a domain, right, from another registrar. We're making this video for people that do not have any domain, right? If you want me to create a video for people that already have a website but need that website, they need an email at that website.com, you can drop a link in the description and I'll make that video. Type in the business name that we want to use, BJ Cakes and Bread, and then we select .com.ng. So yeah, you know, we had an example here before, so we have to click on check. We click on check and then it's available, bjcakesandbread.com.ng. so we add that to cart. It's 2,600 Naira per year. Yeah, so now we've added this to cart. We click on continue. Usually takes a long time to load up. Okay, now you see it says 25,000 Naira here. Don't pay attention to that. It's because it loads up from annually first, so you have to click on. So if you had decided to pay annually, you would have gotten a free domain, but you would have to pay like for 12 months. Now we are starting with just one email. If you were to increase the number of emails, this price would go up. So if you wanted to have like 2 different emails, like say you want to have info@bjcakesandbread.com and marketing at bjcakesandbread.com, you would have to pay for the 2. That's why the slider is here. So we take it back to 1 because we're a small business and we want to start off with 1 email. There is this. If you have the ability to pay for this, I would advise you pay for this. It is important. It adds SSL certificates or security. Basically, it makes where you check your email secure. I advise you do this in case you get big and someone tries to hack your email. You can be protected. Yeah, but we're still small, no one knows us, we're still trying to get out there, so we leave this unchecked so we can stay within the 2,150. So let's go. So we come to our checkout page. It says 2,000 per month, but we know it's 2,150. So yeah, just keep looking at the right so you see how much you're paying. So like I said, you're going to pay for your domain name registration per year 2,600. Now it's 2,600 because of the extension .com.ng. If it were to be any other domain, it would be more expensive than this. So we have all this checked out. We then go to the bottom here to billing details. Now if you're an existing customer, you've logged in before, you've signed up before, you can click on this tab and then put in your login details. But if you are new, you can decide to sign up with Facebook or fill in your details here. When you fill in your details here, you check everything is up to date, everything checks out. You have to agree to terms of service and then you click on checkout. I have a email that I just created for a client. I'm going to blur it out, so I'll just use that to illustrate this from here. We fill everything, we agree, and we check out. You put in your payment details. There are 3 payment methods anyway. You can use Flutterwave, you can use Paystack, and you can pay in 4 installments with a clump. But I advise you use Paystack. Use Paystack and then check out. So see you on the other side. So there are 2 ways to get into your account after you've paid. You can decide to go on Google and just type whogohost login, and then you come in through here. I don't know, for some reason whogohost doesn't have a login on their homepage. I don't know why, but you can come here and log in. So you click on the page and it takes you to their login. Another way you can log in, apart from going through the login page, putting your login details that you used to register, you can also come here after the payment to your email. You get a bunch of emails telling you that you purchased this product. So you look for the email that says email hosting account details, and then you click on that one, and then you come down to the section that says manage your email hosting. So when you click on this, it takes you directly to your product. When you decide to log in, it takes you to your client area. So you have to come down here and then select the product from here before you get to this page. So now straight from here, you click on the product, which is our business email. Okay, so now that we are inside our product, we then come here. Now normally it would seem like you should just fill out this information and create your email, but don't do that, it wouldn't work. What you want to do first of all is you want to come down and look at this option 1, which is configure your domain name and use our name servers. Since your email domain that you bought is not pointing to any website, it has no, it's basically hanging, right? So you need to point it to the name servers of whogohost. This is very important, so pay attention, right? Now if you look at this, there are 4 name servers. So what you want to do is you scroll up to the top and then you click on domains, and then you go to my domain, right click, open link in new tab, not on the same tab. You'd see why. Now we get here, then we click on the domain. Yes, so now that we are inside our domain, we then go to the left where it says manage, right? And then you click on name servers. And when you click on name servers, you have all these slots for you to put in name servers. So like I have already filled this out before, but it doesn't come filled like this already. So you go back to this page. Right now you see why we needed to open another tab. You copy from here, paste here, copy, paste, like that till you get to the last one, and then you just click on change name servers, and then it gives you a prompt at the top here that says name servers have been changed. So once that is done, you head back to this page and then you click on manage email accounts. Okay, so you click on that. Now it will bring you here to this page where you can then add user. So in order to add a user, you click on this add user, you fill in the name, you fill in your desired email address, which at this point would be info at your domain name, or hello at your domain name, or marketing at your domain name. So this is the main source. You want to pay attention to this page. Then you put your alternate email, which could be the Gmail or whatever email you use to register for the platform. Select your country, you select your language, right? And then you click on add user. And then when you do that, your registration is complete. So I'll just switch over and show you how that works. I'll show you how it looks like now after you've added the user. Okay, so when you add a user, right, this is the same interface we saw just now. You get this message that says email account for blah 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 successfully created, account information, this is it. So this is the email, this is the password. You scroll down to the bottom and then you would see the link. We have just HTTP, we don't have HTTPS. So it's usually webmail.yourextension.simple. So let us see how that will look with a sample. Webmail.com.ng. Okay, so then you get this login. You put in the login details from this page that you get from this page after filling. You put in the login details here and then click on login, and then voila, you're inside your very own email. You get messages straight to this email. So you want to make sure you do not lose those information. You want to make sure you don't lose the information you are given. 3 important informations, which is the webmail URL, your email address, the one you just created, and then the password. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will answer each and every question. Our next video would be how to create a business proposal with AI in less than 5 minutes. So see you then. Bye.